Guys, I'm stress free and privileged to be at these grounds today. Embark on seriousness. I already know you've missed me. To my returning subscriber, I miss you too. Guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, you can tell a friend to tell a friend that I make very nice content here, and you can share also, subscribe, like, yeah. So today, I'm very happy till I can whistle. So guys, I know I just want to show you amazing content what brought me here at this ground. You can see Ruba and Soruba. So guys, I'm going to show you very nice content that brought me here. So stay tuned, watch to the end. What I can just tell you, be patient, watch to the end and stay tuned. That's what I can ask you. So I'm vlogging from the village. You can see walking to the very nice road here that is being constructed right away. So guys, what brought me here definitely is to construct these roads that I'm privileged to walk with my legs. You can see. So guys, I know this is going to be amazing all over the world, from whatever part of the world you're watching me from. Tell a friend this today is going to be a boom. You can check out to my YouTube channel how long you can view the other videos, how old my channel is, and how long I've not posted any videos. So guys, I'm a grader man, an operator. So I know most of you guys have never known such thing from me. So today I'm going to show you us constructing this road. Definitely right now, if I manage to have someone hold the camera for me, yeah, it's going to be very okay. So you can see how the road is from the back. Yeah, people of this place have appreciated the most. I don't know if today gets your road being constructed to your gate, what feeling will you have? So guys, let's stay tuned. You can check out now. I'm going to show you the content itself. It's just you to stay tuned, watch to the end, tell a friend. There's amazing content here at this village here. So guys, I'm going to give you the view from the grader and the meter away what's running here. Stay tuned. Okay guys, before I show you what brought me here, I have seen something that have just attracted my attention. Watch out the small kagorofa, the first floor flat around behind me. You can see this one, man who lives in at this and he want to make it a flat. First floor, second floor, and third floor. I don't know the reason to why. You can comment to the comment section. Like, tell a friend. Such amazing contents. So, guys, as I'm chilling here right now, I've not eaten anything, but I'll have to tell you all stories around this place. So keep tuned. Watch. I'm going to show you this content right away from this point here. So guys, watch from my back. You can see this is what brought us here. We are constructing this road to wherever it will be, almost 3 kilometers away. So this place have been bushy. We have decided to open it for the people of this area to use this road. So guys, stay tuned, watch. You can check out. This is a grader, motor grader, XMG China machine behind me. So guys, we are constructing. I think you'll see me there, but it's only that I don't have someone to hold the camera for me. But definitely we are back to make roads again. This is my career job, and definitely we are going to make a good. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Right now we are digging trenches. After back slope, there's trenches are being made. So there's a beautiful things in this village we are today. So stay tuned. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is amazing, and take me to support this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Guys, donations are being accepted with a lot of appreciation, guys. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, tell them we got this big machine here. Right now I'm the senior operator, and there's someone also who helped me, and I'm also the maintenance man. So let's go on to this journey. It's a beautiful journey. So check out how this road was. It was a very bad road, but right now it's being opened to support for use of the people of this region, Oruba, Migori County. So guys, I'm back again to you making videos, a lot of videos, so stay tuned. Check out how this day goes. The big machine, XMG GR 2015 and 215 is a huge machine. It's capable of making this road, so that's the one we chose to use this machine, because it's able to work even at hard conditions, at rocky. Because this place is very rocky actually, so we are fighting so hard to make it visible so that people can maneuver easily. People have just appreciated our job. So guys, stay tuned to my YouTube channel. I know it's going to be amazing with a lot of more content. This place also needs some carvers. This place also needs some carvers. You can check out. There's a caravat, but we don't know all about the contractors. I'm very hungry here. The sun is on toes, on, yeah, on over the head, on toes is Kiswahili, over the head. So I know guys, you are not getting me very clear because of the sound engine machine. So guys, now my camera might be shaking because I'm walking. I don't have a handle, I'm using a phone, but I'll be recording for you good amazing content from here in the village. Yeah, in this area you're familiar with. This county, you know, comes from people in a lot of YouTubers. So guys, let's go on. I'm going to show you something next at this region. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel. Don't get away. I'm going to give you something interesting more than what you think, what you are expecting, and yeah. So stay tuned, guys. You can see how this place looks like. There's no people. You can see this is where the road we are constructing, and the people are sparsely populated. Young people live at sparse places. So guys, stay tuned and tell a friend, this is going to be amazing. And I can say hoorah, yo, yeah. So guys, is a donga, a buga, someone rich staying at this region. Maybe someone can admire. Maybe these are the people who are going to benefit this road the most than others. You can see it has a good mansion there. I could show you that you know, someone here is interested. It's a good mansion with beautiful vehicles. So guys, the grader is there, motor grader. Yo, you're a friend, also like a brother. So guys, stay tuned, watch to the end. And I can see this place is very bushy. This is a place where you can get a lot of interesting creatures I've seen. So guys, let's go on. I don't know what is it, but something was running to the bush. I didn't see it clear. So let's go on, guys. Yeah, support each other. Let's support me, guys. I'm just asking for a request. Yeah, I'm requesting you to support me, to support this channel by subscribing, by sharing, by liking, also by watching to the end. Yeah, you can see the road definitely constructing right in a way. You can see. Ah. You can see how it looks like. It's very bushy. I've not met anyone along the road, and I'm walking I've walked almost 500 meters, but I've not met anyone. That shows you that the people of this place, maybe they stay indoors, or this village don't have a lot of people. Maybe people are sparsely populated, or yeah. So this part I've come to a good show because it is not ropes, guys. This is a maram now. You can see this place is a maram. That's why it gives us easy time to make a back slope and do the trenches, and makes the push away the dirt. You can see. So guys, stay tuned. I'm just telling you, stay tuned. That's what I can just ask you for now, and watch to the end. Give me a support the channel. People will love it. I've had the first man here, small boy. Kijana, vipi? Sema asante na watengenezea njia. Alafu tuambie tukutengenezea hapa sawa? So he's very happy seeing my young boy. He's saying, congratulations, you have been going through a lot for making the road, for you making the road for us. It's just just privileged. They are like, yeah, somehow maybe that their prayer have been heard. This is why we have decided to come here again. Yuked. So guys, let's go on this journey. I had to show you a lot of things here, but that's where I'm heading. Stay tuned. Never get away from this channel. And you can also, to the returning subscribers, I know if you've missed me, and if you've missed me, I've missed you too. So stay tuned. It's me here. So let me show you. So guys, this is amazing content that we do. You can see this beautiful road we make. Actually, we have opened a way where there's no way. Now everyone is happy in this village. A good thing is always supported, guys. So check out, if you are interested with such a road at your village or to your home, you can check out my number from my description and call us one day. So stay tuned, keep watching, tell a friend to tell a friend. It's a beautiful show. We are the greater people. So guys, hope you're having this view from far. You can see there is a machine coming. And actually I'm the assistant operator there. So as my fellow operator is working on, so we are going together. Shh, watoto, tokeni. You can see students from school. We just want to have a view of this grade, how it's working. Check it. That is my very good friend of mine, a colleague actually. So you can see the good job we are doing. If you are interested and you are from Kenya, you can book us. Oh, what I've just the guy with a motorbike have just knocked the student down with the motorbike. It's actually unfortunate, but the guy the student has not injured himself. So guys, let's go on. I was telling you about, if you are interested with we can work for you, and this is how we work. And not yet, the road is not yet completed, but we are opening roads even where there's no roads. So guys, is that a beautiful show? Let me show you something here at the river that we have encountered. Maybe someone have ever seen. I know some of you have never, most of you have never seen such things, such a river. So keep tuned, stay tuned. Let's check out together. Yeah. This is the road being constructed right now. You can check out and how beautiful it is from far. You can check out. Yeah, this is the river. You can see this is the river bank. There's those rocks there. So guys, this is our river. You can check out how beautiful the river is. Have you ever seen a river without water? This is our river today with no water, but with a very big bridge. You can see this is a seasonal river, actually a river, and a very big river, and I'm wondering what might have taken away the waters, or they have been diverted to another place. But let's check out from where the river seems to be coming from, and I'll be showing you. Let me check out from where the river seems to be coming from. You can see it's bushy here. It's not in, today we are not working in town, we are working in village. Yeah, in village. You can see, actually, when I talk of the village, some bush might come into your mind, and scarcely any sparsely populated places. So guys, let's go together. You can see now it's in forest with village are brothers. Yeah, forest and village are brothers. You can say you're coming from town where there is a forest inside. Yeah, a town constructed in the forest. So guys, I don't know where I'm going. It seems the road, the small part, is continuing to narrow itself, and it's in forest. I don't know if to continue, but let me try my best. If anything comes across me, I'll end this video here and run away. So continue checking out. Yeah, let's go together, guys. I'm going to see where the water stopped, and what ate the waters, what drinks the water. Is there a big animal that drinks the water? Is there a big hole where the water goes? But this place is very deep, my friends, my guys. So let's go together there. If it's very far, I'll also quit the journey. And one time, it's very far. It's very far. If I could be having a drone, I could be having a drone. I could take you there deep. It's very deep, actually. So guys, I found myself walking in someone's garden. Let me go back and show you another beautiful content there.